So yeah, this is a Ducati Super Sport. So the Super Bike was the 1098, so this is the smaller version. And you do get those monoblock calipers, so lots of stopping power. You do also get those Showa forks. Showa forks, they're very competent, they're very good. If you're going to have suspension, Newlands or Showa. You just get halogen lights on this generation. It's nice how Ducati made a cutout in the race variant, so that looks pretty good. It's liquid cooled, so no oil cooler, and it is beautiful. It looks good. It's nice that the indicators are integrated into the mirror. Oh yeah, look at how the rear shock is mounted. Red wheels, rear seat cover, which is a must on a Super Sport. No pillion's going to be able to hold on to that. And nice how the exhaust is routed. But this one is the L Twin. So this was before Ducati now using chain drive for their V2. So you will have to change the belts on these. If you don't, and the belts snap, then either the engine's going to be destroyed, or you're going to have a massive repair bill. So as long as you know that, you're going to be okay. And yeah, it just looks epic. Acroprivic end cans, but they might still have baffles in them, so it's difficult to say. And the shift light is built into the TFT, but you do get a steering dampener too.